Welcome back. In the last section, we learned the basic syntax for inheritance. Now, let's see this powerful principle in action. We will use the animal and dog example to demonstrate that a child class object can execute methods defined in both the parent class and itself. 1. Reviewing the parent and child classes. Let's use a common example, vehicle and car. The vehicle class, our parent, defines the common behavior start_engine. The car class, our child, inherits from vehicle and adds its specialized behavior, drive. Note that the car class definition is very clean because it doesn't need to redefine start_engine. 2. Creating the child object. When we instantiate a car object, my_car, it contains all the attributes and methods of car plus all the attributes and methods of vehicle. We can easily call the child's own specialized method, my_car.drive. 3. Accessing inherited functionality. Now for the core of inheritance. We can call the parent's method, start_engine, directly on the my_car object, even though that method is not physically written in the car class. Python knows to look up the hierarchy to the vehicle class, find the method there, and execute it. This is the essence of code reuse. To summarize, inheritance ensures that common functionalities are defined once and automatically available to all subclasses. Our next lecture 18.03, Inheriting Functionality. See you there.